25 to the x minus 15 to the x equal to 9 to the x. We want to find x. So at first, let's see. Can we find an answer for this x? 25 minus 15 is 10, not 9. Okay, so we will see that we can find an answer for this. First, I'm checking x0, 1, negative 1. But the numbers are related. It is 25, 5 squared. 15 is 5 times 3. 9 is 3 squared. And we have a squared. Let me tell you, when you have a squared, ab, and b squared, if you divide by b squared, the first one, a squared over b squared will be a over b squared. Next one, ab over b squared will be a over b, and b squared over b squared 1. And then we can consider a over b as a new variable. Because if a over b equal to t, then we have t squared only, t and 1. Okay, let's use this. I divide both sides by 9 to the x, because it is b squared. It will be 25 to the x over 9 to the x minus 15 to the x over 9 to the x equaled 9 to the x over 9 to the x. Now by power rule, we know that if the powers are equal, 25, 9 also are positive, we can say it is 25 over 9 to the x minus. Again here, because the bases powers are equal, 15 over 9 to the x and equals 9 over x over 9 over 8, 9 to the x over 9 to the x is 1. Now, let's simplify. 25 over 9, we can say it is equal to 5 over 3 squared to the x minus 15 over 9. You can divide by 3 both numerator and denominator. It will be 5 over 3 to the x equal to 1. Now, by power rule, we know that a to the m to the n, you can switch m and n. It will be a to the n to the m. Also, it is equal to a to the m times n. Now, by this power rule, we can say 5 over 3 to the x. You can switch to an x squared minus 5 over 3 to the x. And also, let's take 1 to left hand side, okay? Minus 1 equals. Now, in next step, we will see we can write all terms in terms of 5 over 3 to the power of x. Let's consider it is t. So it will be equal to t squared minus t minus 1 equal to 0. It's so much good. Why? Because it is a quadratic equation and we can use quadratic formula. How? If we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, the formula is x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And if you use this formula, we can say t equal to negative b. Here, a is what? A is 1. B is negative 1. C is negative 1. T equal to negative b, negative 1 plus minus square root of b squared. Negative 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1 times b, times negative 1 all over 2a, 2 times 1. It will be negative 1, 1 plus minus. Square root of 1 plus 4. Root 5 all over 2. Okay. Now t has two values, but one of them is possible. Why? Pause the video and try to see why one of them is possible and the other one is impossible. Let me explain for you. Equal to 5 over 3 to the x. If you see 5 over 3 to the x diagram, it will be increasing in this one, 1, and always increasing, always positive. So here, negative 1 is not possible because it will be negative. So t is positive and it's 1 plus root 5 over 2. And t is 5 over 3 to the power of x. Let me tell you something. A, suppose equal to b to the m. So m, by definition of logarithm, log b of a. Okay? Now, by this definition, can you tell me x equal to log what of what? Log 5 over 3 of 1 plus root 5 over 2. So we found that x equal to what? And we've solved this problem. Okay, let me write homework for you. A squared plus b squared equal to ab. Try to solve this. And let's consider a and b are real numbers. Try to solve this and comment your answers below this video. And if you have questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.